Well, I thought that wasn't going to happen, and yet it did. So I started taking it down. I took out that window, took down the door. I took down the header for the window, the jack studs. I'm taking down the door too. I couldn't record before. So we'll see how far I get. I've got this that's leaning against this wall. I gotta move it somewhere. I don't know where. And these boards here were all leaning against this stud here, which now, if I remove, it's all gonna come down. So I gotta fix that too. Anyways, less talking, more working. Let's have at it. So I gotta take out these nails, and then I can take the header out. They're really dug in. And you can see, instead of putting the header like this, he put like this. This one isn't that bad, but there's water damage on this. I'll just cut off this end. Easier to take it off there than when it's on the ground. Oh. Well, I thought that wasn't going to happen, and yet it did. That might be a sign that I need to move those things where I don't know. This nail is, oh, I got lucky. I got another one in my little pocket here. There's a whole bunch of metal shelves I got, and wooden shelves too. And I got no place to put them inside the garage. But I'm practicing my left-handed skill. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that top plate on, just because it gives me a little bit of a bridge. But I do want to get the last of this fiberboard off. This is connected. Oh jeez, this is so bad. This whole assembly here was screwed up. That's all I want to go. To keep this from wobbling, I'm going to throw it in here. And I split the wood because it's that old. That does not instill confidence. That's good. Now that there's two nails, that's 160 pounds. No. Almost 88, almost 180. That's 176 pounds. So that's that. Time for water. What is it that? Some of it can be saved. go. This doesn't look great on the bottom, but overall. Alright, I think it's time. This one is dirty, but it's not in bad shape. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times 2. That's 28 times 10. $280 worth of 2x4s right there. That's 280 bucks. Come on. This is a mess. Okay, we got it. Forgot to cut one board. Well, to keep the little kids from going through, I put up this chicken wire. I put 2 nails in there to keep this from wobbling around and put these boards back. But I've done enough for now. Just basically clean up. So there it is. Well, I thought that wasn't going to happen. And yet, it did.